Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing the Intel wireless Bluetooth driver error. This one shows up on a lot of systems, and it can cause your Bluetooth to stop working completely or behave really inconsistently. Let's walk through how to fix it. The Intel wireless Bluetooth driver error usually appears in Device Manager with a yellow exclamation mark next to the Bluetooth adapter, or you might see an error code like code 10, code 43, or a message saying the device cannot start. In some cases, Bluetooth just disappears from your system entirely after a Windows update or a driver update gone wrong. The first thing to do is open Device Manager. You can get there by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the list. Expand the Bluetooth section and look for your Intel wireless Bluetooth adapter. If you see a yellow warning icon on it, right-click the device and select Uninstall Device. Make sure you check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device before confirming. This completely removes the current broken driver from your system. After uninstalling, restart your PC. Windows will attempt to reinstall the driver automatically on the next boot. In many cases, this is enough to fix the issue. But if the problem comes back or Windows installs an older version that doesn't work well, you'll want to grab the driver manually. Go to Intel's official support website at intel.com/support and search for your wireless adapter model. You can find the exact model name in Device Manager under Network Adapters. It will say something like Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX211 or similar. Download the latest Bluetooth driver package for your specific adapter and Windows version, then run the installer. If the driver installs but the error keeps coming back, the issue might be a conflict with your current Windows version. Intel's Bluetooth drivers are tightly tied to specific Windows builds, and sometimes a Windows update pushes a generic driver that overwrites the Intel one. To prevent this, after installing the correct driver, you can go back into Device Manager, right-click the Bluetooth adapter, go to Properties, then the Driver tab, and click Update Driver, but choose Browse My Computer and point it to the driver you just installed. This locks in the version you want. Another thing worth trying is disabling Fast Startup in Windows. Go to Control Panel, then Power Options, then choose what the power buttons do and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. This feature can sometimes prevent Bluetooth drivers from initializing correctly on boot. That's everything you need to fix the Intel wireless Bluetooth driver error. If this helped you out, hit that like button. It really does make a difference for the channel. Drop a comment if you're still having trouble and I'll do my best to help. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next video.